Hi, I'm Paul with RockAttack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2021 through 2022 and likely beyond Kia K5 four-door sedan. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine tower set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. Here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a slot that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another slot in which the tower is fastened. And alongside that slot are measurement numbers, and those are referenced in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct placement of the tower on the bar. The tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle. To access those adjustments, you just press on the 3 dots on both sides of the upper portion of the cover and just pull back and down, and that will give access to the fasteners. First, we'll look at what's behind this panel here. We'll just pull back on that panel, and then that exposes the fastener which holds the tower to the bar. That fastener is also an adjustment for pitch, which allows for the compensation for curvature in roof lines. When we close that cover, you'll see here how that prevents access to that fastener. Now in this lower fastener is the toe adjustment. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that one with this tool that's included with the towers, and that will allow for the 3 different points of adjustment for the pad and clip set, and that will help to best match the shape of the roof and the door frame. To retighten that, we just use that same tool and tighten. It clicks when it's fully tightened. This same tool also works for all the other fasteners on the towers. Now here we have another adjustment. When you tighten that fastener, that will pull this clip against the door frame, and then under this hatch, this final adjustment will pull the clip upward against the door frame. Now the clip itself is strong steel with a durable black powder coat finish and a rubber pad where it contacts against the door frame to protect and provide grip. This pad assembly pivots to best match the angle of the roof line. It also has a vehicle-specific rubber base, and that will also help to match the contours of the roof line where it rests. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place by hooking it at the bottom and then snapping it at the top. Here you'll notice there's a plastic plug, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System. These are sold in match sets so that all 4 of your towers can be key matched, as well as other accessories and carriers that are SKS compatible. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at RockAttack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.